bingo wings, tuck shop arms, bat wings. Over the years here at Be Mobile, we've heard our clients describe their arms in lots of different ways. None of them are that nice. Now, of course, our clients are talking about that floppy appearance of the arms that can occur as you get older. So in this video, we're going to give you 3 exercises to help build some muscle and some definition in your arms. There are 3 factors contributing to the appearance of bingo wings as you get older. You can experience a loss of skin tightness, you might be carrying a little bit too much body fat, and you can have a reduction in your arm muscle tissue. Now, short of having cosmetic surgery, unfortunately, we can't do much about the skin tightness. But you can lose some weight and you can build some arm muscle. Now, don't worry, with these exercises, you're not going to end up looking like Arnie, but they will help you to build some arm muscle. If you include these 3 exercises in your strength training routine, at least 2 to 3 times a week, you'll start to notice some improvements in your muscle mass and the definition in your arms. We'll see you in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you'd like to try a free strength workout, well then make sure you check out the Be Mobile platform by clicking the link below. If you're already a free account holder, then of course you can just log in, but if not, make sure you sign up to this completely free platform. You will not regret it.